Hey, I'm Nick DiMartino, and today I'm going to be making a picture frame for a poster of one of my favorite bands, the Sloppy Boys. What is up, DIY stylies? Like the Sloppy Boys, I like to party. And about 2 weeks ago, I had plans to go see them play in Troy, New York with my best buddy, Jesse. But, unfortunately, I got the stomach bug from my son. So, while I was home shitting my pants, my buddy Jesse went on his own and got to meet Tim, Mike, and Jeff. I was very jealous. But the next morning, my buddy Jesse sent me a picture of a poster that he got for me signed by all three of them. What a guy! Anyway, let's make a frame for it and hang it up in my shop. First thing I did was take a quick measurement of my poster, and then I moved on to the miter saw to cut my wood down to a rough size. This project is so easy, I was able to get the whole thing done in one morning in my workshop out of one 4-foot 2x4. Once I had a rough length, I moved over to the table saw to rip my boards to their width. Once I had this done, it was time to cut the channels where the poster will sit. I set the blade to the proper height and then my fence to about 1/4 inch and passed all 4 of my boards through. Then I turned the boards up on their side and set the depth and the width of the cut to meet the cut I had just made. I passed the boards through the blade and removed the channel just like so, and this is where the poster will sit. Now it was time to move on to cutting the 45s. I first cut a 45 on one side of each one of these boards, and then using the poster to measure, I marked the back of the frame and used the speed square to draw my lines. Using the poster instead of measuring makes this a much more accurate cut. Now that I had all of my cuts, it was time to glue it up. And since I couldn't find my picture frame strap clamp thingy, I used a framing square to get a perfect 90-degree angle and screwed some boards down to my workbench. Then I could put the picture frame in and use some wedges to tighten it all up. This worked great, and later that day I was able to come out, remove the wedges, and take this picture frame out. And since I'm going to be painting this black, I just used some little brad nails to secure the corners. I gave the whole thing a quick sand and then painted it all black. I have some plexiglass laying around that I've taken out of old picture frames I find on the side of the road, and I was able to use that for this frame. I put some cardboard on the back and secured the poster into the frame using these little push pins. So there we go, a simple picture frame that anybody can make. And you can put a picture of whatever you want in it. But for me, I'm a slop head, baby. I'll be a slop head all my life. Give it up for your boys. Give it up for your boys. Give it up for your boys. If you like this video, check out this one. Or go check out some Sloppy Boys songs if you're looking for a laugh. Thanks. See you in the next one. Later.
Bye. See you again. And have a good dream.